Hey everyone, my name is Yegor2% and this is my tech unboxing channel, and today we're gonna be unboxing the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I'll be sharing things with you probably already know about the iPhone and also why I ended up paying extra. As the smartest one, I decided not to buy the iPhone on the first days and waited for the hype to die down so I wouldn't have to stand in crazy lines. And I was right, the lines disappeared, but the price for the iPhone went up. But why? This happened because in Dubai official suppliers started bundling iPhones with accessories and mandatory subscriptions for 2 years of Apple Care Plus. It is still impossible to get the phone in store unless I pay an extra $300 or $400 for that bundle. I managed to negotiate a bit just to getting Apple Care, which turned out to be the most expensive part of all the bundle. And I think it was my first time I haggled in an official store. There is still a way to buy an iPhone without any additional bundles, but you'll have to wait about a month for it to deliver. But being impatient, I wanted the product the same day. Does that desire really justify having to make extra mandatory purchases? Now I have a question for Apple and for the viewers. Is it even legal? I was told that the allocated iPhones from Apple were all sold out, and for additional units, Apple requires resellers to include mandatory add-ons. But in Virgin, for example, there is no Apple Care. They just bundle it with accessories. So is it from the stores or from the Apple? I don't get it. But why am I being forced to buy some things that I don't even need? This is my biggest frustration with buying a new iPhone 16 Pro Max. This guy. I'm filming on it right now. So what do you think? Is it fine or not? Leave your comments down below. Okay, back to tech. Brand new, looking good and fresh. Here we have cable, no stickers. Here comes the most satisfying part. Let's turn this thing on. Here we go. We have the buttons here, port for the SIM card, the camera control button, that's the new one, USB-C charging port, and here we go. That's how it looks. So what's new? The iPhone 16 Pro Max brings some awesome camera updates for capturing high quality photos and videos. It features a 47 megapixel main camera, making even low light shots clear and vibrant. The 5x zoom is a big upgrade too, letting you zoom in with no loss in detail. Maybe some, but you can't see the difference. Apple also introduced Fusion Camera Tech, which uses AI to boost photo quality by adjusting sharpness and exposure automatically. That's pretty nice. But for those who like to play around with settings, the new camera control button makes it easy to manually adjust exposure and zoom, so you can get the perfect shots every time. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a substantial battery upgrade, featuring a 4685 mAh battery. By the way, This is the largest ever the iPhone ever had. Awesome. This improvement translates to excellent battery life, allowing the phone to easily last a full day even with heavy use. I even managed to survive a whole day with only 65%. And by the end of the day, I still had like 24 before going to bed. In tests it performed well across various sad activities, up to 22 hours for video playback, over 8 hours of browsing, and more than 10 hours for gaming, which is pretty disturbing. Don't play that much. New model supports USB-C with 30-watt wired charging and 25-watt MagSafe wireless charging, making it possible to reach around 57% in just 30 minutes with a wired connection. This makes it not only powerful in terms of endurance, but also quick to recharge, which is handy for a heavy user. Personally, I upgraded from the iPhone XR, and I've noticed a big improvement in photo and video quality. Overall, I recommend Apple fans to change their devices once in 3 years. This way you'll really feel the difference and get the most enjoyment out of your purchase. That's it for now. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've noticed my video quality improvement. In it, leave your comments down below and it will help my channel to grow. Check out my other videos, don't forget to subscribe and click that like button. See you next time. Bye bye.